Hello guys, now let's apply the mask to prevent the displacement here. So I will take a snap from this displaced ocean to see a comparison between it and the non-displaced the ocean where I will just cancel the displacement here. So if you just see here in the mesh and middle mouse, we have the vorticity and velocity attributes, which will be very useful in rendering and in the displacement. Now actually I can bind these two parameters in the shader and use their values. So I'm just going to bind these two parameters, the vorticity, which is a float, and I don't need to change my type, and another bind node, and this will be my velocity v, 3 floats vector. I should compute the length of the velocity in order to get the speed, because the velocity is just speed with the direction. We need only the value of the speed, not the without the direction. Okay. Now we want to isolate the area where there is a big velocity and big vorticity, so we are going to use the fit range node as usual. So to fit two fit range nodes. Okay, connect the speed here, and I've tried the value of 5 to 10 here, fitted the range to 0 and 1, and here I've tried 0.75 and 1. Okay, I will add these two ranges together, but now I will have a value larger than 1, because this range is from 0 to 1 and this range is from 0 to 1, and so the range of the addition will be from 0 to 2. So I will add a clamp node which will make sure that the values is going to be fitted in between these two minimum and maximum values. Okay, but now I have values that are near 0 in the areas where there is no motion and vorticity and high velocity, but we have values that are near to 1 in this area of interest. Actually, we need to have the opposite. So we need the high values. We need high values in this area and low values in this area, because I will multiply the values I will multiply the displacement by these values. So I want here the values to be 1 and here to be 0. So when you multiply the displacement by 0, there will be no displacement here. If you multiply it by 1, there will be displacement here. So to do this, I will add a complement node, which subtracts 1 minus the value that I will connect here. So if it's 1, it will be 0. If it's 0, it will be 1. Okay. So yeah, because 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, and the values in between will be inverted as well. So now we have the mask that we need. We can multiply this here after this transform node. Yeah, multiply it by this value. Actually, I'm going to I've added a snap here. For this, I'm going to render it again and see the result. So stop the video until it renders. So yeah, this is without doing the displacement to this, and this is with doing the displacement. As you can see here, for example, the displacement was made or was applied to the simulation in this area. And if you render an animation, you would have so you would have seen the movement of the ocean here as well. You would see waves moving here in this area like the waves that are moving here, and this would look very strange and so stupid. So this displacement mask is very important. So this is for this video. Now we have done the ocean shader. We should now move to the next step, which is the white water shader. Then we are going to render the plane and change or make the layers for compositing. So this is for this video. Thank you.